you might be getting excited about the holiday parties and celebrations filling your calendar over the next few weeks, but law enforcement is urging you to also make a plan for a sober ride home.
KXAN traffic anchor Erica Brennis heard from a mother who lost her son 10 years ago after he drove home drunk.
You don't get a redo. You don't get a second chance.
10 years has gone by since Pam Edwards lost her son Dylan in a drunk driving crash. He was 25, married with 2 kids, when he made a decision that changed their lives forever.
It was at 6:45 a.m. on August 9th of 2014 when I received a knock on my front door, and I look outside the window and I see a DPS trooper's patrol car in my driveway.
Dylan got behind the wheel of his truck with a blood alcohol level of 1.6, twice the legal limit.
I want to share this story from a mom's perspective and how his choice to choose to drink and drive not only took his precious life, but how it's impacted my life and the life of his loved ones.
The Texas Department of Transportation, Department of Public Safety, Austin Police, Austin EMS, and more are pleading with Texans to plan out their safe drive home.
We want everyone to spend their holidays celebrating with friends and family, not mourning them.
TxDOT says last year there were almost 50,000 traffic crashes in Texas during the holiday period. Of those, 28% involved a drunk driver. 379 people died.
I've spent almost my entire adult life working in EMS. I have responded to literally thousands of crashes. Every day, first responders like me, Detective Day, the troopers, TCSO, we respond to devastating scenes, and we see people on the worst
that I would ever have to write the obituary of one of my children. It has been one of the hardest things that I've ever had to do.
In Austin, Erica Brennis, KXAN News.
And TxDOT says 1 in 4 traffic deaths in Texas last year involved drunk driving, but numbers show drunk driving related crashes were down 12% in 2023 compared to 2022, a trend they hope this initiative will continue. Going in depth and zooming in closer to home, in a report released back in May, the Travis County Medical Examiner's Office found nearly 200 people died in motor vehicle accidents in 2023, and a quarter of those, about 53, involved alcohol. Traffic deaths in the county have been creeping upward since 2018 when there were 154 deaths, 36 involving alcohol. The last day there was not a traffic death in the Lone Star State was on November 7th in the year 2000.
Another incentive to stay sober behind the wheel, Austin Police's no refusal policy is now in effect every day. It used to be reserved for holiday weekends or school breaks. This means if you're pulled over for driving under the influence and refuse a blood alcohol test, police can get a search warrant to take your blood and see if you were intoxicated. The initiative is only active between 9 p.m. and 5 a.m., not all day.